Xiepu flexible coupling dedicated winding machine, empowering domestic flexible couplings and rubber flexible disc couplings, flexible Driveline coupling to master core competitiveness. Customized control algorithms, tailor-made for the flexible coupling winding process, precisely optimize winding mechanical properties, achieve more uniform torque transmission with multi-axis synchronization technology, ensuring smooth and consistent winding with stable tension. Strict control over resin-rich areas eliminates process defects at the source. A rigorous process system minimizes stress voids. The entire winding process is completed in one seamless operation. Xiepu flexible coupling dedicated winding machine, driving domestic flexible couplings from the imitation stage to high-performance manufacturing. For inquiries, please contact Xiepu.